Hello everyone, and want to share with you today the third Womb Witch bundle, the Crone. So the energetics of this are very much within these cards. So these are Cat Shaw's postcards that you can choose which one to have. So this is Kali Ma, and there's a lot on the next spiral all about invoking her. So to me, look at these two, this one and that one, absolute beauties, the Morrigan, surrounded by her ravens and her feathers. So I'll take pictures of these and you can choose which one you want. So the actual box itself, so hand-rolled, handmade incense. As always, Womb Gate 3, the energy spray. Let's have a little blast of that. So to me, this smells of being in a damp, dark cave with wet earth and all the smells of the earth coming up. So very grounding, very holding energy. And the same ingredients that are in the energy spray are in the anointing oil as well. As always, we've got the little votive handheld goddess. So she's beautiful to hold in front of your altar, say your prayers, call in. Very tactile, really love those. And we've got the little black seal this time with the triple goddess on that I made with my granddaughter Rosie. Black tourmaline, beautiful chipped bracelet, really, really nice. I love this one. So they really help ground and protect you. And we'll be going more through the crystals on Womb Gate 4. Got a whole thing on that for you. And as always, your Star Child taper candle, and this time your little extra is all to do with divination. So working with the pendulum, I absolutely love, and I do this when I make all my oils. Check with the drops, check with the ingredients. So you'll be having a lucky dip. Some are smoky quartz like this one, some are hematite. I got it right this time. When I've said it before, I normally say hammerite, and that's a paint. So one of those will go in there as well. So these will be posted out. Thank you to those of you who've ordered already. That really, really helps. I'm here this week, then I'm away from the 6th of January. So please try and get your orders in before then. If not, the actual shop online will be closed, but my eldest daughter Jess will be sending these out. So you can still order after the 6th. Maybe just send me a message and let me know, and I can prepare them all beforehand, and they're just sitting there with her. So we have the Crone energy with us, so working with her scent, her grounding, her protection. So treat yourself to one. Blessed be.